Hi, welcome to this video. This is a little bit off topic since it will not concern any electronics, but I still find it useful because we will be showing off some lighting equipment that we have bought. The purpose of this was because we had a lot of problems with the lighting was troubling us during recording of our electronics videos. So this is one way to try and solve that problem. We are not really into the lighting, so this will be the first time we're using it. So it will probably take some trial and error to make it work and put it together. But stay with us and see. So what is about to follow is some sort of an unboxing and very clumsy how-to video for the lighting system. The product link is given in the description of this video, and hopefully by the end of this video my posture and the lighting will become better. Stay with us, enjoy the video, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so this was a very short how-to or tutorial. Well, not really a tutorial, since I did make a lot of mistakes, but hopefully this video will help you not to make these mistakes if you ever come to a point where you need to set up your lighting system. So I'd like to point out that we've done only half of the equipment that was delivered, so we have a lot more to do actually, but for our videos this will be more than enough. I hope you like the background and the lights. Of course we will need to work to learn how to use this. The really nice touch that I think comes very handy is the big bag. You can put everything together, so you don't have to keep it carried in a box. I'll put a link to this product down in the description of the video, and I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and stay tuned, because after making this off-topic video, we will be using this cool equipment to make our next electronics video the best so far. Thanks for watching, thanks to all the patrons, and see you soon.